Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning,
How
Good
are
ma'am.
you
morning,
all?
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how are you all doing?
Fine, ma'am. And you?
I'm good, thank you. So, what else is happening? So, are you all getting ready for your Christmas celebrations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we were doing communications, right? We did not start with the communication cycle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a second. So a lot of people were asking me like, why did we make the group? And you all were talking. What was happening? So some of you were not gelling well. What was happening? Why was that so? So the group was actually made so that, if I have to ask you to bring something, arrange something, write something, so that since it's just 1 hour, so we'll not be able to do it. But that group's intention was not at all to make you all um, feel that it's not a private group. It is an official group. So, when we are communicating, it's very important that we know who our audiences are. I mean, I'm sure you all are friends and you want to talk, but again, when once it's an official group, you have to restrict your personal informations, right? I'm sure you're not kids that I have to
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So, yes. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me. Yes.
ma'am একটু আগে দেখা যাচ্ছিল না আপনাকে ওই জন্য বললাম।
Okay. Now you can see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is there?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. So you all had your breakfast? You woke up and
Yeah.
had
Yes,
your
ma'am. Yes,
breakfast?
ma'am.
Yes,
Great.
yes, ma'am.
So in our last class, we were talking about um, communication, right? What did you all understand? What communication is? What do you mean by communication? I spoke about the visual, vocal, and the verbal aspect also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. So now you tell me, what do you all understand by communication? What did you understand? Did you try talking to people when you're talking to people? Did you make yourself aware, like what is working and what is not working? Did you try that? Like তোমরা কি
Ma'am, কি
দেখেছো when
বললেন?
you
ওয়ার্কিং এবং নন ওয়ার্কিং বললেন?
sorry
Ma'am,
say it again.
communication is a skill to introduction unknown people.
Introduction. Okay. What else? What is the other thing that I told you?
Ma'am, communication means exchange of ideas.
Correct. And আমি একটা very important detail বলেছিলাম, like for communication. What was that? What was
Important
that?
topic communicate.
Ma'am, sharing the understanding.
Independent topic.
Now one needs to understand what other is actually saying, communicating.
Correct. Sharing the same understanding. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we all understand, you all were talking in the group. I see a lot of disagreements, which is okay, which is not a big deal. But how you say that, it makes a lot of difference. Like if somebody did not like somebody's communication, if somebody is trying to put forward an idea or a view, or you need to respect that, because for like we all come from different backgrounds. We did that part, right, where I told you about the IQ, SQ, EQ, AQ. Did I tell you that?
No, ma'am.
No,
I
ma'am.
haven't told you that. Oh,
No, ma'am.
okay.
You haven't told
No,
told
ma'am.
us.
Oh, I haven't. I'm so sorry. So we'll do that today also. I'll tell you about that today, before we go into communication cycle. So communication is a mode of transferring your ideas, viewpoints, your emotions, your feelings through verbal or non-verbal communication from one person to the other, so that, this is the underlined part, so that the other person understands you. So it is your responsibility to make sure that the other person understands your feeling, your emotions, your communication. If that person is not understanding, that means you are lacking in your communication skills. We're talking about normal circumstances. But yes, there are times when psychologically you're hit, you're blocked in communication. For example, if you don't like someone, you will not want to listen to that person. Like I said, I told you this earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with this communication side. Okay, so let's concentrate a little bit on your communication cycle. Okay, what do you all understand by communication cycle? So cycle is the process, okay, that the communication goes through. J stage that theke communication ta hoye, it reaches to the other person, or you react to that other person. What is that process? So you going to tell me, and then I'm going to show you the slide. First, you tell me, like I'm talking to you, what happens? After I talk to you, what happens?
And we try to listen to you, then we try to actually understand what you were saying.
One by one. So first, when I talk to you, you listen.
Listen, then we try to think actually like what you were saying. We try to understand, analyze.
Wait, Shomodip. There's no rush. We're not going
Hello,
anywhere.
hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. আপনি বলছেন
Yes.
কমিউনিকেট সার্কেল, তাহলে কি এটা কি ঘুরছে নাকি আপনি এটাকে গোল আকারে দেখাচ্ছেন? কমিউনিকেট
Yes, because it's a cycle, right? I mean, আমার থেকে তোমার কাছে আসছে, তোমার থেকে কোনো রিঅ্যাকশন হয় আমার কাছে, it's a cycle. কোনো একটা জায়গায় যদি সাইকেলটা ব্রেক হচ্ছে, so you don't communicate. You're breaking the cycle of communication.
ওকে ম্যাম।
So সেটাই আমি এখন বোঝাচ্ছি, like what is the cycle, like সব insects or plants or some, they all have a life cycle, right? The stages that they go through, এখানে we're talking about the stages of the communication that you go through. Like আমি এখন বলছি, so you all are able to hear me, you're going to listen to me. So the first stage is listening. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
right,
Yes, ma'am.
there are so many places Okay, Soumya Sinha. Oh, okay. Okay. We will add you. Okay. How many of you are aware that the communication cycle breaks in the first stage only? There are a lot of people who end up communicating right from the
Hello,
first
ma'am.
stage.
হ্যালো ম্যাম, একটা কথা
Yes.
হলো, বলছি কি যারা মিটিং করে তারা তো কমিউনিকেশনের মাধ্যমে তো মিটিং করে, ওটাকে কমিউনিকেশন ধরা যায় না? কমিউনিকেশন পার্ট না?
Of course, meeting করছে through video calls or telecalls. Of course, there's everything. So any media, those are media. আমি মিটিং করছি, আমি বই লিখছি, আমি একটা চিঠি লিখছি, আমি কারোর সঙ্গে কথা বলছি, আমি কারোর সঙ্গে কাউকে কনভিন্স করছি, আমি সেল করছি, all those are
কাউকে
communication.
কিছু বোঝাতে চেয়েছি, ওটাই।
Correct. You are, yes, you're sending your information, idea, concept, viewpoint, feelings, emotions, everything through a medium. And the medium is this. The medium is this, like either you're in the phone, you're writing, these are the mediums. But the concept of communication is to reach the audience, to reach the person who's there. Right? Now here, I was talking about the first stage of communication, that is listening. Now, do you know that there are so many people where we break the communication in the first stage of listening? Why do you think so? অনেক লোকে শুনেই না. So why that happens? What are the barriers? That is
এটা
called.
যদি ব্রেক হয়ে যায় তাহলে কি বিপজ্জনক হবে? যদি কমিউনিকেশনটা বা
Why will be bipodjanok? It's not going to be bipodjanok, but it's a loss, right? You're not able to communicate or you're not able to reach some audience. So it's not going to be a very positive thing for your workplace. Right?
nervous.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, nervousness. What else?
Ma'am, language barriers.
Correct. What else?
If we do not pay attention.
Ma'am, not sharing the same ideas, like same thinking, same thought process.
Yes, that is also quite true, but just listening. Like if you cannot hear me, why will that be? Okay, how many times you all say, "Ma'am, shunte parchi na, ma'am, buste parchi na," all that? Why is that so?
Because of different issues like network issues or something like that. Because
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Network. So network, background noise. Suppose you're in a place where you cannot switch on your audio, right? You chat, you write it down. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what? So someone said language. Do you think language is a problem
Yes, ma'am.
for listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is. Because if you do not understand the person, suppose he's talking in a very different way, like even in Bangla, there are different dictions, right? So if you ask me to listen to someone who talks a different style of Bangla, I would just break the communication cycle there because I will not understand. Or some very strong Bangla words.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly,
হ্যালো ম্যাম,
you have
হার্ড
a
ওয়ার্ক।
client. Sorry? Hard work. What did you say there?
ফর হার্ড ওয়ার্ক কমিউনিকেট ব্রেক, মানে বলছি কঠিন শব্দের জন্য তো কমিউনিকেট ব্রেকটা হয়ে যায়।
Correct. Yes. So strong vocabulary. Yes. You're talking to, say, a little child, and you're saying that I would like to have a hot beverage. The child might not know what beverage means, or hot caffeinated beverage with a little sugar. Darkar nahi, right? We will say, I need a coffee. So, you're breaking the communication cycle, but that is not more of listening, that is more of understanding. But you break the communication cycle because of your networks, for your background, for your not being, carefully listening, so being not careful. Then for your audibility. How many of you understand what is audible? Audibility. Audibility মানে কি?
Which is audible, that is audibility.
Okay, which is
Ma'am, act of
audible?
like act of hearing actually.
Hearing. Audible is the sound, the volume.
Oh, আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা।
Yes, the sound, the volume. Like when you are suppose in an organization, you're in a call and you say, I'm so sorry, can you be audible, please? মানে ভালোভাবে বলা যে তুমি একটু জোরে বলবে. So can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
be
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yeah, so you say that way, like, am I audible? মানে আমাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে? So, now that you know these terms, you have to start using it. Okay, when you're here working, studying,
Yes, ma'am.
and so you say, am I audible? অনেক সময়, because of your audibility, because you're not loud enough, people can't hear you. শুনতেই না পেলে তো communicate করার কোনো সওয়ালই ওঠে না, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, so a lot of it goes in your listening. Now, there is another reason of not being audible also. I don't know how many of you will agree, but I mean, I'm sure you'll all agree that in a childhood, if your teacher asked you some question and your hands were not completely raised and you were not confident enough, what happens is your volume goes down. যেই আনসারটা খুব ভালো করে
Yes, ma'am.
যেই আনসারটা ভালো করে জানা নেই, you're right, you try to demean your voice a little and like try to answer. So when you are not in the right audibility, it also shows that your lack of confidence. So you have to be loud enough, audible enough, so that you are heard, you are listened to properly. So your first cycle of communication is to listen. Like if I don't listen from you, like today, you all gave me a warm good morning welcome that was really nice and overwhelming. So had it been, I have to, in some class, I have to say hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. There's no conversation. And I do not appreciate that at all. So your first communication stage is your listening stage. So now after listening, what happens? Shomadip, you were there almost.
After listening, we need to analyze the facts, like what the person is actually saying.
No, you
We
will
need to
analyze
interpret.
first, you have to
We need to
understand.
Yeah, and understand. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so the second stage is to understand. Now, whatever you heard, you try to understand. What is the understanding, like what is the viewpoint, the logics or the concept that has been given to you, or something is being asked to do. If they ask you that we need an application of this thing, so you are thinking like, okay, do you know that, whether you'll be able to do it or not. That is your understanding of what is being said or what you listened to. So the second stage is understanding, right? So here a little
Yes, ma'am.
psychological factor plays. Like here, what are the barriers of not understanding? Like listening, you know that you will not listen if network is not clear, there is a background noise, sound is less. These are the barriers. These are called the barriers of communication. What are the barriers of understanding? What are the psychological factors right here?
Ma'am, if we don't share a same thought process, that will be a barrier. And if
Correct.
the language or if the thing that the other party is saying that is too hard or too difficult, that would be also a barrier. That will also work as a barrier.
True. Absolutely. So your language, if it is like we were discussing in the earlier stage, the talking about the your sorry, I missed it. So talking about a very difficult vocabulary or a way of saying which you will not understand. Like when somebody says, are you going to participate in this picnic? And I say, I'm game. What is the meaning of that?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so I am game means I am in, like I am going to do it. Like I am going to participate. So we say I am game. Okay, that's a language we use.
And we can also say count me in. You can count me
Yeah.
in.
Of course, you can say one thing in many ways, but usually, like I'm game is a little something not heard of. Sometimes, of course, it's heard of. It's not like not heard of, but you say like that. Suppose you haven't heard it, so you'll fall out of place. You'll not understand what is being said. So all I'm saying is like sometimes if you use typically very strong vocabs, that is going to be okay. Why is
Ma'am,
this?
video ta pause hai.
Okay, Momi writes those who are not added to this group. Okay. For
Yes,
the
ma'am,
group.
I'm doing that only.
Okay, I was like, where? I hope you're listening also.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, that is one of the barrier where you say like your understanding is blocked. Then there is another psychological factor where if you do not, your likes and dislikes matters a lot in your understanding procedure. Suppose if you don't like somebody, you will not want to understand that person. True?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, when you think like if you like somebody, you would want to listen to that person, try to understand that person, try to resolve the issues. So a lot of psychological factor plays a role in your understanding procedure. After understanding, what happens?
Ma'am, we need to form
And we
the
try to respond.
yeah, we need to
Before-
form the sentence what we need to say. Actually, we need to form the thing what we have to say as a reply.
Analyze, right?
Yeah.
That's what you were saying, right? Analyze.
Analyzing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to, that is called comprehend. You know the meaning of comprehend?
Yes, ma'am. To understand something very deeply, to analyze something.
Remember we used to do comprehensions in the school?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Reading comprehension.
Yeah, comprehension was what? A paragraph given to you so that you read it, understand it, get the, zest of the whole
And
thing.
solve the questions.
Yeah. So comprehend is basically to understand, listen to the, understand the person's point of view, analyze the situation, see how the things are, think logically, use your own mind, and finally you comprehend. You come to a conclusion, you come to a solution. That is your comprehend. So how do you think the communication can break in? So majorly a lot of people's communication breaks in our in adults because of your understanding, because of your comprehending skills, because of your understanding skills, because we try to analyze things or look at life the way we want to. We do not want to stretch ourselves a little bit here and there. And your chat was a perfect example of that. So there was someone who was using words which was not needed. So you have to understand that where and how you have to react and what you have to say. So you need to understand to comprehend the situation, and then according to it, like there can be two ways. Either you react positively, negatively, or you're assertive, like you're in both the ways. So here you have to, it is your upbringing, your cultural background, your the society that we have come up on in. So all these affects your comprehension skills. So all we can do is look around. A human being learns the most from nature and society, right? And that happens because that's how we are, like that's how genetically we are made, that's how genetically our mind is made. So comprehension skill comes a lot from your psychological factors, and according to what you comprehend, your final stage of your communication, which is called to respond or react, that happens. And after that, you reach to the messenger, the reaction reaches to the messenger, and the messenger asks for a feedback. Now that part is also very important. What do you understand by feedback? You bolte parbe? Feedback kake bole? Arpan, say it
Ma'am,
again.
receiver
Ma'am, reply.
response from message.
Ma'am, response.
Response. What else, Nilanjan? What you were saying?
ম্যাম বললাম যে রিসিভার্স রেসপন্স।
Yes. Yeah, response may not be the right thing, but it is the,
View, ma'am,
the
what
questioning.
viewpoint about? Yeah, it's like view, like the receivers thought about something.
Yeah.
Like
Now,
it's
for
a viewpoint.
example, like, correct. So, suppose I made you understand and I ask you back, did you all understand? Any questions? So I am trying to take a feedback of
Yes,
what.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, why this feedback is important? So that we can check that my understanding and your understanding matches or not. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
feedback is important because communication and objective ta ki hocche, that we have to make sure that the person in front of me understood what I said or not. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So feedback is important. আমরা অনেক সময় বলি বুঝতে পারলে আমি কি বললাম, মাথায় গেল, বুঝলে? What do you think we were doing? We're trying to make sure that the person understood my idea, understood what I'm trying to say. Right? So feedback is very, very important. Now look at this one. This. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
cycle of communication.
Yes, ma'am.
The message reaches where you listen. After you listen, you understand. After you understand, you comprehend. And after you comprehend, only then you react. You react either positively, you react negatively. Now, where are the places that we break the communication? When the message cannot even reach. It can be through because of the network issue. It can be because of the background noise. It can be because of the audibility. It can be because of the accent. It can be because of the diction. It can be because of a language. So because of that, we might end up the communication ekhanei break hoye jache. Rest of the things cannot even happen. Then comes, if those things are fine and you can listen to someone, after you listen, you try to understand. You try to understand the person's situation, the needs, the concept, the idea. And then again, there is a break. Like in the understanding, there is a psychological factor, because you try to understand a person who you like or who you want to listen. But you will not want to listen to somebody whom you don't like, or you think you heard of somebody who is you are not aware of, or you're not in a psychological match. Then what happens? You don't try to understand. So whether you listen to that person or not, doesn't matter. So the whole communication again breaks there. Then comes the comprehension part. So when you finally understand what you have to do, what is your content, what is needed to solve this problem, what is needed in the team, you try to comprehend, bring out some solution, analyze that, okay, if this situation arises, this is what we have to do. This, if that happens, probably this will be beneficial. And according to that, after your comprehension, you come up with a solution, and that solution is your reaction. So whenever you're talking, you're reacting, that goes to the messenger. And when you go to the messenger, he or she needs to ask for a feedback that whether all of this part is understood well. If this part is understood, everything is dependent on this process. Even if you go around backward wise, like you analyze the situation depending on your understanding, and what you understood is what you listened to. So therefore the whole cycle is interdependent. Now let me give you one more example. Like for example, there are a lot of politicians who come for votes, they campaign for the votes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
এই দেখো
Yes, ma'am.
দেবা
Right, what they do, they campaign, মানে ওরা নিজের মেসেজ পাঠায়, either public gathering এ দাঁড়িয়ে বলে, বা you know, they go around, they write it in the pamphlets, give it around. So they send you messages which you listen to. Suppose there is someone, the nominees for the prime minister, chief minister, what did Mamata Banerjee do? She stood in a lot of public gatherings in front of people, which is in the TV news as well as live, where she stood and told her logics that if you make me the chief minister XYZ, I'm going to do this, that. I'm a people oriented person, I whatever. So people who likes her or believed her, they want to listen to her, what she wants to do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whoever believed her, they're going to listen to her. Suppose if somebody did not believe for her, like she doesn't, will you listen to her, or you will just cut through there and you will not try to understand? Or there is a situation when she has done a lot of things, but she also failed in doing some of the things. So probably you will listen, try to understand what she's trying to say, and try to comprehend that, okay, she did these things which worked or helped the country or the town. Maybe, you know, maybe if I vote for her and if she's given another opportunity, she's going to bring a different change in the city. So you are trying to comprehend after understanding what she said. Like, okay, I'm going to work on the roads, I'm going to work on the electricity. Then you figure out, you try to comprehend কোন কোন জায়গায় করেছে, করেনি, কি কাজ করেছে। তো দেখা যাচ্ছে যে অনেকটা জায়গায় কাজ করেছে। So not that she did not do anything. She's asking for a vote because she believes in doing something.
Ma'am,
Yes.
comprehend মানে কি?
Comprehend is like to analyze and conclude. Zest যেটাকে বলে, you know what is the meaning of zest? Like নিচোড় নিকালনা যেটাকে বলে, you know, you come to a conclusion. So you analyze the situation depending on what the circumstances are, how someone, say there is a boy in your class, very quiet and very stable, consistent. Ekdin hotat kore he became very upset and he said all the bad things to you. How do you think? Will you be impulsively and reacting back to him, or you will try to understand what he said and comprehend the situation he is in? Probably he is disturbed because of some family issues, or he is worked up with something, so he just, you know, said few things. So you try to comprehend মানে ওর আশেপাশে situation, ও like the guy is generally quiet, he's not an aggressive guy, তাহলে আজকে হঠাৎ করে কেন চিল্লালো? So all these, situational analysis is what we call as comprehend. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's quickly recap. So once you send a message, it goes, and the first stage is your listening. The second is you understand. Third is you comprehend. Fourth is you react. And fifth is the feedback. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
One
Yes,
more
ma'am.
time.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
message
Yes,
is
ma'am.
sent, so you listen, then you understand, then you comprehend, then you respond, and then you ask for a feedback, or you give a feedback. Can someone tell me what are the 5 stages?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
There was the first listening, secondly understand, there was the comprehend, after comprehend you have respond, and then you gave a feedback.
Correct. So it is clear with everybody. Everybody can say this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you all understood the cycle of communication. Now tell me, how
Yes,
many of
ma'am.
you followed the whole process? Or you think you were lacking somewhere?
ম্যাম কি বললেন বাংলায় বলুন?
বললাম যে, did you understand the cycle, পায়েল? সাইকেলটা বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, ma'am.
এবার যখন তুমি কথা বলছো, do you think তুমি এতগুলো স্টেজ ভেবে বলো না, it's like you don't think and you just talk? এমনি কথা বলো, মানে ভাবো না?
না ম্যাম, অবভিয়াসলি ভেবে তারপরেই তো কথা বল।
Okay, so all of you go through the same process, are you sure?
No, ma'am.
সবাই এতটুকু?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will see that.
Ma'am, I
I'm
don't
going to
think
check on.
so. I don't think so. I am not talking about others. I comprehend every time. I don't think so.
Correct.
Ma'am, I also don't think so.
Okay.
We casually reply, but always we not comprehend.
Yeah, we do not comprehend actually every time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it depends on the situation.
Exactly. So, there is a lot of communication gap because people don't want to understand and comprehend, because it's ওইটা করার জন্য you need to have the right attitude. We all are brought up with big egos and কয়েকটা জিনিস আমরা ছেড়ে উঠতে পারি না, we don't want to let that go, but that is not how it should be, because when you go and start working, you will find different people, and if you keep your ego high and you will not try to understand and comprehend a situation or a conversation, it's going to be difficult for you, because the fight will be difficult for you. Anyways, it's always cutthroat competition, right? In corporate, when it's like there's a very strong competition. So সেখানে if you keep struggling with normal things, right? এরকম হতেই পারে কারোর যেরকম কিছু ভালো লাগছে না, like I'll tell you, that day in the group, I know a few of you wanted to make it look like a normal friendly group, but since we did not make it with that intention, it is very obvious that you have to abide by money. You have to go by the rules or ethics of some official work. সবসময় you're not kids. এটা তো first you all have to agree that you are not in school anymore. তোমাদেরকে you will be treated like an adult. You'll be treated like someone who's going to work together. So if you and এটা হতে পারে না যে everybody in your section, in your class, in your department সবাই খুব ফ্রেন্ডলি সবার থেকে, এটা হতে পারে কখনো?
No,
It's
ma'am.
not
No.
possible.
No, ma'am.
You are only friendly with 1 or 2 of them, or maybe 5 of them, nothing more than that. So when you have to be selective with that and maintain a decorum. So when somebody said ma'am is here, I mean, try to point out that we should keep the conversation to official conversation or something which is to be understood. Now there should be either an understanding and comprehending skill of the person to understand that yes, this is a place where this is not a college group, this is not my private group. I have to, and in what situation that person has said that, because maybe she's unaware of the fact that what is going to be posted. So since it was not clear, that the message was not clear, okay, the message was not clear that why this group was made. So then you have to comprehend the situation, like why this girl or boy came and said this line. Probably she wants to make sure, and I need to cooperate. Now there again, if you have a block, oh, okay, I know what I have to do. You don't have to come and tell me. So that is a wrong attitude. I'm not talking only about this group. I don't know who has written what, but all I'm trying to tell you is that it is your responsibility as an adult to carry yourself with dignity and with elegance. মানে নিজের সম্মানটা তোমাকে রাখতে হবে. You are representing yourself. Now, I was talking about the other thing that I wanted to share with you, remember? তোমরা আমার কথা বুঝতে পেরেছো, right? Did you all understand, right? And you did not take
Yes,
it in a
ma'am.
wrong way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
My intention here is তোমাদেরকে এমন করে তৈরি করা so that when you walk into the corporate world, you're confident. Nobody can pinpoint you. Nobody can tell you that, oh, you came from a background where you don't know things. এরকম বলা.
Ma'am, because what I am saying is that he was to give me an answer considering whether it will be his understanding.
Yes, considering the fact that there are like all of us. How many of us are there? Say 90 people are here. Okay, so 90 people. আমাদের যে 90 লোকজন আছে, we come from different backgrounds, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We all come from different backgrounds. All
Yes,
our
ma'am.
parents think differently, and we are brought up in that way, right? Now, suppose but we all are coming to a same institution. Okay, do you think you will consider somebody who comes and tells me that I come from this background, I can behave and do whatever? আমাদের বাড়িতে পুজো পাঠ খুব মানে হয়, আমি স্কুলে কলেজে এসে এখন পুজো করব 2 ঘন্টা ধরে. I mean, will you accept that?
Definitely not, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
This is
ma'am.
awkward.
No, ma'am. Definitely not.
We would respect
No, ma'am.
the
No,
fact
ma'am.
that they come from a religious family. So the point here is, in the institution you're coming for learning. Similarly, in the organization when you join, you're going to work. So your personal life, your personal belief, your personal thinking should not affect. Now, for example, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan has made an image about himself like King Khan, and he has got all the big money. And do you think he was born like that?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Do you know that কিরকম বাড়িতে ও বড় হয়েছে, ওর মা ওকে কি খাওয়াতো, ওর পার্সোনালি ও কি ভালোবাসতো না? No, আমরা শুধু ওটাই জানি whatever he has told the media, যেটা ও নিজে মিডিয়াতে নিজের ব্র্যান্ড বানিয়েছে, right? This is called branding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what you're doing in this institution is you're trying to make your brand. So tomorrow in the organization when you go, or even in your institute, try to make this like nobody should come to know what your real self is. Market yourself, find out the best part of yours, use your communication skills, use your other soft skills to make yourself a brand. Like, you know, like someone had played that music very well. So that was amazing. That was a skill. So now suppose something happens in the college and we're looking for music and we're like, oh, can you call him? He was very good. So we know him. That is his, like he's creating a image about himself that he's good with. Right? তোমাদেরকে এটা you have to figure out. Okay, and one more thing. People who thinks যে আমি ইংলিশ জানি না, my communication. Two different things. Soft skills and communication. Communication is a subset of soft skills, but it is not the whole of soft skill. Is your intention, your involvement, your you know, perspective towards life, your way of looking at life. You know, it is not exact. Even if you don't know to communicate in English, you know to communicate in some language. Is that right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yes,
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can always come
Yes, ma'am.
that আমি English পারি না, but I know the things. I know how to behave. I know how to carry myself. I know how to deal a situation. So, you know, a lot of companies considers people with a considerate candidate ke pick kora hai. When you go for an interviews, they look for the right intention of the person, because every company knows that somebody will have good and bad. If your language is a barrier, you can learn a language. কতদিন লাগে একটা language শিখতে? Like it takes hardly, you know, 6 months, 7 months, and rest it is just the practice. Just the practice. The more you talk, like when you go in an organization, everybody is talking to in English. In a year, your English will be better. If today you want to improve your English, start talking to me in English. One fine day you will learn it. You'll get used to it. I'll tell you, একটা মানুষ যখন বলে যে আমি রোজ সকালে হাঁটতে যাচ্ছি, you replace that word হাঁটতে যাচ্ছি and আমি রোজ সকালে walk এ যাচ্ছি. Let that person say that for a week or 10 days. I can guarantee you 11th day automatically he'll say that I'm going আমি walk এ যাচ্ছি. They'll not come back and say that আমি হাঁটতে যাচ্ছি. So it's like, it's the mind. It's the mind that is going to, you know, make it work. You have to train your mind. I don't know, these soft skill classes are not that easy classes like your technical class, like একটা formula জেনে নিলে you get the notes from the teacher and then you read whole thing, because this is self development, self refinement. You need your involvement. Then I tell you, I can help you. I can help you and come and tell you that, okay, do this, do that. We can do one full month of English training, like only learning about English, how to write something, how to talk something. That is how you're going to improve. But what you have to work at is your intentions. You have to work on your behavior, your attitude, the attitude towards life. That is very important. And that cannot happen like that. It needs a lot of logic, a lot of effort. But I believe you all are going to do it, right? I see a lot of involvement. So you're going to do that, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to show you something. So, just a second. Okay, this one. So this is the thing that I'm going to tell you now has a lot of involvement in your in the personality of a person. It's actually psychological factors there. I'm sure you all have heard about it. শুনেছো হয়তো, this one. So imagine our personality. It is divided into 4
আপনার ভয়েসটা
parts.
ব্রেক করছে না।
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So imagine করো আমাদের পার্সোনালিটিটা যে আছে 4টে ভাগ আছে, okay, 4 parts. So the 4 parts that I'm going to tell you now is your IQ. Okay, can you see this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The IQ, the SQ, the EQ and the AQ. Okay, so এই 4টে ভাগে মোটামুটি আমাদের psychological factors গুলো depend করছে. Now first IQ, you all know what IQ is, right? IQ কাকে বলে?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is
IQ
the
কাকে বলে?
abbreviation of intelligent quotient.
Correct. Intelligent quotient. So what is that? What part of our personality? Like it is the
Someone's,
intelligent part, the brain,
someone's
usage of the brain.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, usage of the brain, where you will find a lot of I think everybody in Indian families, they insist all their kids to have a very good IQ. খুব পড়াশোনা ভালো করবে, so they stress a lot on their IQ, right? So the ability, the skill is the ability to gain, understand the knowledge part
Ma'am,
is your IQ.
ma'am, it's a measure of person reasoning ability.
Yes, reasoning, learning, accumulating hard skills ability, basically, the IQ. Then, so you all know about IQ. I don't have to tell you much of IQ. This is 1/4 of our personality. Then comes your SQ. SQ is your social quotient. The SQ. SQ is your social quotient. Now, what is that, the social quotient? What do you all understand by social quotient?
Ma'am, is it about how we mingle with the society?
Yes. So we all live in a society and we need to know how to behave. Like every society has its own set of rules, right? Like rules made by the government, rule made by our house, rule made by our society, rule made by our schools, by institutions, by the law. So we abide by all these rules. আমরা এই rules গুলোকে মোটামুটি follow করে society-তে থাকি, right? Otherwise anybody could have stayed anywhere, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
small little things in the society. For example, আমি বলছি যেরকম if you all have to go to a বিয়ে বাড়ি, what do you all do? চুল সেজে গুজে, you all wear the best of the clothes, want to look the best, and you go to the বিয়ে বাড়ি. Why? Because somewhere it's a celebration, and as in our society, that is how we, so there is a social marriage, so we go attend and we dress up well. Do you think in a biye bari you can go in a pajama just because I'm comfortable?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. That would be inappropriate.
Right?
No, ma'am.
তোমাদের বাড়িতে কেউ যদি পরে যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করে, what will you say? এটা পরে যাবে, you'll wear this. Or you're going to a marriage ceremony, you won't wear like that, right? Similarly, if you have to go
Yes,
to
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
a funeral, একটা যদি শ্রাদ্ধে যেতে হয় বা ইয়ে, do you think you're going to wear the best of the sarees and dresses and go?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Definitely
No,
not.
because you're trying to follow certain set of rules which is made from earlier. আগের থেকে বানিয়ে এসছে. Somebody made the rule and you're following it. That's what like the values are in our society. Like for example, in Bhai Phota or in Durga Puja, you exchange gifts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is because of the societal norms. Nothing will, abruptly go wrong if you don't do it, but it's like a status for you. It is like, for example, in society, if somebody buys a big car, so you kind of have an image about it. Oh, this guy is probably earning a lot. He's doing very good, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose you're in a workplace, the girl, and she's done excellent, and her parents are invited. Don't you think that she will make her mom and dad look the best? She'll go and buy dresses like, oh, you're going to my office, okay? You have to be like, you have to look really the best and good. Wear this. Koro to amra kori, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Similarly, similarly, if you go to a workplace, if you see somebody wearing a dress like a disco, do you think you'll be able to work? You'll be distracted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the point
Yes,
here
ma'am.
is like we have a set of rules, right? And we follow those rules because we are a part of a society which has its
Yes,
own
ma'am.
norms. So that awareness in you, nobody's going to come and tell you like kalke jodi college tumi ekta mane you wear a different odds man out clothes. Do you think at the most is still a college, so might just come and tell, principal might just say, but usually if it is nothing to be sayable, then you will wear it. We can just look at you and think different things in our mind, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is
Yes, ma'am.
we are following. We're trying to be socially equipped. Socially, আমরা নিজেদেরকে establish করছি. So that part of your personality is called the social quotient. You're building relationship socially. By doing this, what do you do? Like you call guests at home, you exchange gifts, like even in organizations like in Diwalis and in New Year, a lot of companies, they give gifts to sweets and gifts to their clients, right? All these are like you're trying to maintain a social relationship, building relationships. So these are like your awareness. These are like your awareness. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes.
much is
Yes,
clear,
Yes.
all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll do the next two in the next class because we're running short of time. But your communication cycle and your this part, intelligent quotient and SQ, this is clear, all of you, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So So I'll send the picture of that this thing and this one also. I'll explain you a little more in this group. I'll send you. Okay.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Keep
ma'am.
talking properly. Look at yourself, your intentions, your behavior, attitude towards life. Enjoy life the most. Have the best of your time with your family. And enjoy your Christmas and New Year. Okay, I'm gonna see you soon.
And same to you,
Same
bro.
to you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Same to you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Merry
bye.
Christmas in advance,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Nice day, ma'am.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.